5 of the day, there was nothing to do, so I asked the captain if we could go fishing.
We are in the dory and we are going fishing. Ali, where are we going?
Fishing!
Fishing!
Once we arrived to the fishing area, the dory captain helped us tie a fishing hook onto the line. He used his teeth, which looked painful to me, but thanks to him, we had a well-tied knot to hold everything together. Now, let's catch some fish.
Yes.
We have Manta?
Yes. Into diving, boat behind.
So they are going to
Extra diving.
Extra diving?
Once we heard the news of mantas being on the stern of the boat, it was time to wrap it up. I think we had enough amount of fish for the divers and the whole crew for tomorrow's meal.
Snapper,
Uh-huh.
grouper, red snapper, jobfish,
Jawfish. This is also
red snapper.
Ah.
Same.
Ah.
1, 2, 3. Same snapper. Grouper.
While we were fishing, the crew installed a powerful light on the stern of the boat. This shining light in the water will attract the plankton, which is the main food of the manta rays. And luckily, a manta came to us. As you can see, this huge manta ray was doing backflips below the surface of the water. We already met these creatures underwater, but they are always welcome.